At this moment, there are more than 20 million cargo and shipping containers in use worldwide. 24 hours a day, diesel-burning cargo vehicles move these containers, consuming hundreds of millions of gallons of fuel, emitting enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. In the United States, EPA mandates require reductions of emissions. It is an important yet arduous task, with no easy solution. Southern California Edison is helping customers develop solutions to reduce their negative environmental impact while maintaining their economic viability and competitive performance. One of our customers, the Port of Long Beach, the second busiest port in the United States, has ambitious environmental goals. In conjunction with the Electric Power Research Institute and a consortium of other energy companies, SCE's Electric Transportation Department developed a prototype plug-in electric vehicle. The terminal tractor was manufactured by US Hybrid. This plug-in hybrid terminal tractor can soon be used at any seaport nationwide, turning away from diesel-burning vehicles to a cleaner source of sustainable fuel, electricity. This innovative project is one way for customers to meet their green targets, filling a void that existed for ports that desired another option instead of traditional diesel-powered vehicles. US Hybrid Corporation converted the diesel-powered vehicle, which is similar in appearance to a tractor cab, into a hybrid which has the ability to be refueled from the grid. As a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PEV, the tractor will be able to move containers weighing up to 80,000 pounds as its diesel counterparts can, but unlike diesels, will not idle its engine when inactive. Over the course of a year of full-time operation, it is expected that the PEV tractor would use 3,000 gallons of fuel less than a similar diesel tractor and significantly reduce emissions. By converting their tractor fleets, ports could reduce emissions from this source by 80% for nitrogen oxides, 50% for carbon dioxide, and significant amounts of other criteria pollutants. These vehicles can make a big impact on lowering a port's overall emissions. Standard yard tractors use diesel engines to operate. These large diesel engines, combined with the duty cycle at the port, which involves driving short distances and significant idling time, emit pollutants and consume diesel fuel. Hybridization with electric drive and accessory electric motors increases efficiency and reduces emissions by replacing diesel engine work and waste with electric work. The EPRI yard tractor uses a parallel hybrid system with a lithium-ion battery, which recharges from the electric utility. This enables not only efficiency gains of a hybrid system, but fuel switching from diesel to electric. This is also suitable for retrofit. The truck is converted by installing an electric traction motor in between the diesel engine and the rear drive axle. This allows the wheels to be driven by the electric motor alone, the diesel engine, or both. When fully charged, the vehicle can move cargo for a significant amount of time with no emissions. When the battery is discharged, it will switch automatically to hybrid mode, using the diesel engine but also turning the engine off when idling and capturing regenerative energy from braking. Another key piece is the electrification of accessories. Typically, a truck uses a belt from the engine to run a steering pump, air compressor, air conditioning, and a hydraulic pump to operate the movable fifth wheel. In the plug-in hybrid truck, these are controlled by electric motors, allowing operation with the diesel engine turned off. The main advantage of this system to port operators is that they can use electric fuel to reduce consumption and emissions, but they are not at risk of decreasing their operations due to insufficient charging infrastructure or time and space for charging batteries. In critical times, the truck will continue to provide service. Southern California Edison and EPRI, along with the consortium, are coordinating the project among several ports. They will compile and analyze project data related to the tractor's performance, including emissions, charging, diesel fuel reduction, and other aspects. The equipment will be tested at SSA Container Terminal on Pier A at the Port of Long Beach for 3 months. The Port of Long Beach demonstration project is part of a 1-year pilot program during which the U.S. hybrid-built terminal tractor will also be tested and evaluated at ports in Savannah, Georgia, Mobile, Alabama, Houston, and New York City.